You've seen them everywhere, right? On menus, posters, tickets. They're QR codes.
But how does that little square of dots actually store information? Let's break it down.
QR stands for Quick Response Code. And yeah, they live up to the name. They were invented back in '94 in Japan, originally just for tracking car parts. It holds way more data than a barcode because it works in 2 dimensions, not just one. Okay, so let's zoom in and see what a QR code is actually made of. Those 3 big squares in the corners, they're called finder patterns. These are super important. They tell your phone where the code is and how it's oriented. That's why you can scan a code from pretty much any angle, even upside out. The rest of the pattern is just a grid of tiny squares called data modules. It's pretty simple. A black square is a 1, and a white square is a 0. All those 1s and 0s combine to form the binary code that holds the info. But what if the code is damaged? That's where error correction comes in. Get this, a code can still work even if 30% of it is totally unreadable. This is exactly why you sometimes see logos right in the middle of a QR code. So what's actually happening when you point your phone at one of these? First, your camera grabs the image and finds those 3 big squares to line it up. Then it scans every little dot, turning the pattern into a string of 1s and 0s. That binary string gets processed into something readable. We call this the decoded data. And if that data is a website link, your phone just opens it right up. Simple. So to recap, your camera captures the code and uses the finders to orient it. Error correction cleans it up, the binary is decoded, and boom, the link opens. And this all happens in a blink, from a simple pattern to the entire internet.